This intense and emotional moment captures a man standing at a major turning point in his life. Facing serious charges, he must decide whether to take a deal or risk everything by going further. From the very beginning, the pressure is clear, every word matters, every decision carries consequences, and there's no easy way out. As the situation unfolds, he agrees to move forward with a no-contest plea, choosing a path that avoids a full trial but comes with strict conditions. There's a brief moment of confusion, showing just how overwhelming the process can be, but he ultimately confirms that he understands what he's agreeing to and is ready to accept the outcome. The tone remains serious as the discussion shifts toward what comes next. Instead of a lighter outcome, a firm and structured plan is put in place, one that focuses on accountability, discipline, and long-term change. The conditions are strict, including supervision, restrictions, and required programs designed to guide him in a better direction. What makes this moment stand out is the balance between consequences and a second chance. While the situation is tough, it also offers an opportunity to rebuild and move forward under clear rules. By the end, it's clear that this decision will shape his future, leaving him with a path that demands responsibility, commitment, and real change.
On some material that had not yet been produced, it was, I believe, not in the state's possession. I believe that issue is now moved, and we're willing to move past it. Mr. Shepard has decided to take a plea deal in this case.
All right, is that correct, Mr. Shepard?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Shepard, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Any objection?
No objections.
All right, Mr. Shepard, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with aggravated assault, serious bodily injury as a second-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you intend to give up those rights?
I intend to do that, but
no.
My attorney and I conferred this morning.
No, no. Listen to my question. The rights that I've just gone over with you, do you understand them? The rights that I
to have learned them in the past 2 hours, not fully.
Oh, well, let's do this. Do you understand that you have a right to have a jury trial?
Yes, I do understand.
All right. Do you understand that a jury trial would consist of 12 people sitting in this jury box?
Yes.
The state would present evidence to them through question and answer. Your attorney would have a chance to question and answer them. Question them. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you understand, because you're entering this plea agreement, that the state is not going to call any witnesses? Do you understand that?
I understand that.
You understand that your attorney then is not going to be questioning any witnesses because no witnesses are being called?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand that if you were going to jury trial, thank you. Did you understand if you were going to jury trial that the state could not turn and say, we want to call Mr. Shepard as a witness? Did you understand that?
Like I said, Your Honor, in the past 2 hours, all this has been thrown in, so no, but I understand it. I understand the things that you are saying to me right now.
All right, awesome. So you understand
yes.
that during a jury trial, the state couldn't call you as a witness. You understand that?
Yes, yes.
But because you're entering this plea, you can be called as a witness. You understand that? I'm not saying the state is going to call you as a witness, but when you enter a plea, you're giving up your right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right.
I was explaining that.
All right.
Yes.
So do you understand all these rights I've given to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And you want to go forward with this plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yeah, yes, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Shepard, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Has anyone forced you to do this? That's either yes or no. And let me explain something to you. Forcing somebody in a plea doesn't mean you're being forced because somebody tells you, well, if you don't accept the plea, then you have to go to jury trial. That's not force. So did anybody, other than telling you that, did anybody force you to enter this plea?
In a way, do I feel forced? I feel forced, yes, but no one has forced me. I do feel forced.
All right, you want to talk to him about why he feels forced off the record, or do you want to inquire?
I'm happy to speak to him off the record, Judge.
All right, I'll let you all speak off the record. All right, we are back on the record in 2021, CR 4086, State of Texas versus Tyrone Leonard Shepard. So where we left off, Mr. Shepard, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or forced you to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied, yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked? The court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. They're taking into consideration 2021 CR 8392. There's to be restitution to Michael Barnes, BARNES, and the anger management course. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
That's correct, Judge.
State.
It is, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
There were several motions to compel discovery that the court ruled upon, I believe. Those are the only outstanding motions.
Outside the agreement, the state is asking that your deferred adjudication be for a cap of 4 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours of community service restitution, and no contact with Michael Barnes. Did you understand that those are recommendations from the state? Court does not have to follow those recommendations.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence?
Our state exhibit number 1 with all attachments.
Any objection?
No objections.
Going to show you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most important, accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same?
And I briefly, Judge.
Yes.
Another, I guess, condition of his probation was that he be allowed to transfer to Georgia, where his family is, and
Okay.
his support structure there.
All right. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, please, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Judge. I would remind the court that Mr. Shepard had already spent more than a year and a half in the Barry County Detention Center on a mental health hold. He received 0 treatment while in the jail. He was eventually released, following a subsequent finding of competency by the magistrate court. He has never missed a court appointment. He has no prior criminal history. He is a veteran. The complaining witness was a veteran. This essentially is a mutual combat self-defense case. The question being reasonableness of the self-defense. For that reason, I would ask the court to give Mr. Shepard 2 years deferred adjudication and require him to participate in mental health treatment the entire period.
All right, Mr. Shepard, where in Atlanta? I'm sorry, where in Georgia?
I'm not too sure at the moment, Your Honor. I'm not too sure at the moment, Your Honor. My parents have not made the decision.
Okay, so here's the thing. Before I allow you a transfer to Georgia, yes.
And may I speak to that also? I spoke to his father. His father has informed me that they have a place for him in their home. They have several acres and a home for him to stay in.
But where in Georgia? I still don't know that answer.
It would be in Brinson.
How do you spell that?
Brinson.
And what county is that? Does anybody know? Any objections to me Googling? We'll see if Google knows.
No objections.
Oh, it's Decatur County. Okay. According to this. If it turns out it's not Decatur County and they're wrong, you need to let probation know.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court is going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with and restitution to Michael Barnes. Do you have any children? Yes, you.
I support 2 kids.
What are their ages?
One is 5 and the other is 2.
All right. I'll allow transfer to Georgia in Decatur County. And Ms. Abrams, Google tells me that Brinson is in Decatur County. If it turns out it's not in Decatur, let me know. And I want him to get in contact with in Decatur with their mental health department. So I'll just say Mick, but I know it's not going to be Mick here once he's transferred.
Just say mental health treatment.
Yes. All right. So you to follow through on mental health treatment in Decatur County, Georgia. And you're to follow up with the veterans, with the VA. And proof of employment or SSI within 45 days of transfer. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 150 hours community service restitution. I'm going to require parenting classes. Once that's complete, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
Your Honor, between the mental health indicator and the proof of employment, you said something and I didn't quite catch it.
He's to make contact with a veterans treatment organization there. And I don't know if they have that. I just learned about this place called, well, this division under veterans treatment called Temple Domiciliary. I don't know if they have that there, but if they do, under that umbrella, they do take care of mental health. So you'll need to check into that, or your attorney can check into that for you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything else?
Your Honor, I just want to make it clear that although there is permission to transfer to Georgia, that he is to remain in Texas, in Bexar County until the transfer is accepted. And that could take anywhere from 30 to 60 days.
All right. So you're not to leave Bexar County until you're actually officially transferred to Decatur, Georgia. You understand?
That's cool, Your Honor.
All right. Is it cool, but do you understand?
I understand it, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
I believe he's also currently under GPS.
All right.
How
So
does that be removed?
once he's transferred to Georgia, the GPS can be removed. There'll be removal of GPS upon transfer.
So he's on GPS with pretrial right now.
Mhm.
It's a totally different thing. We would need a condition for GPS for for this, and then
All right, so here's the issue with GPS. GPS will not allow for that device to be paid for. So is he able to pay for GPS monitoring or no?
I'm unsure, Judge.
Are you able to afford to pay for GPS?
Not at the moment, Your Honor.
All right. So if there's no objection to removing it in lieu of the GPS, I can have him call into probation weekly. Is everybody okay with that?
No objection to the state.
All right. So we'll remove GPS. And he is to contact probation weekly until transfer. And if for some reason Georgia decides not to accept him, y'all can come back and I'll see what we're doing with the weekly reporting.
yes, Judge.
All right. Is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
As this intense situation comes to an end, the reality of what just happened begins to settle in. A major decision has been made, one that will shape the path forward for years to come. The pressure may have eased, but the responsibility is only just beginning. Every condition, every rule, and every step ahead now carries real weight. This moment isn't just about consequences, it's about what comes next. There's a clear opportunity here to rebuild, to make better choices, and to prove that change is possible. But that opportunity comes with strict expectations and zero room for error. In the end, it all comes down to commitment. The path ahead won't be easy, but it offers a chance to turn things around. Whether this becomes a story of redemption or regret will depend entirely on the actions taken from this point forward.